Aloha, this is Paul Morton. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about getting onto the Modernizing Medicine telehealth platform. So the first thing you're going to do is download the PocketPatient app. Once you do that, you're going to want to open the app and allow for notifications. Once you log into the app, you're going to need to agree to Modernizing Medicine's terms of service. So you'll need three things to get in. Your web address is going to be morton.ema.md. Your username is going to be your first name and your last name without a space. For example, my username is Paul Morton. That's what yours would be. It would be your first name and last name. And the password is going to be Aloha123. That's capital A, Aloha123. Once you log in, you're going to be prompted to change your password. Please change your password for patient privacy sake. If you do forget your password, let us know and we can reset it for you. Once you log in, you're going to see the welcome screen. Sometimes I'll put different messages up here. And then you'll log into the patient portal, and all you need to do is click on Join Video Visit. At that point, you're going to need to provide both access to the camera and microphone for the telehealth visit. And this is going to be the consent form that will allow you for telehealth communication. And at this point, you'll see my video. You'll want to make sure that PocketPatient has access to your computer so you can take a look at everything inside. Then the next time you have a visit set up with me, you'll get a text message and or an email that will give you the direct link to set this up. And that's for your convenience. All right, look forward to talking to you soon. Bye-bye.